Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add friend on Roblox. To do that, open the Roblox application. Now once you're at the home page, you will have the option of friend on the very home page, and there's the add friend option. You tap that. The easiest way to get this is by typing the person username on the search bar. Here you just type in the person username that you want to add as friend in Roblox. Once you type in, you will be shown a list of people with the username. Once you find the person profile, you can click on person username and then click and select the add friend option on their profile. So I'm just gonna go and type in a random one over here. So there are the profile relating to a person name. To add this, you tap on the profile and there you will have the option of add friend. You just tap that. Now all you need is to wait for the other person to accept your friend request. With this, you will be added as friend within your each profile. So this is how you can add friend on Roblox. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.